How to change your contact email on Google Play Store. Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how you can easily change your contact email on Google Play Store. But before we begin, don't forget to hit the like button down below and subscribe to the channel. Now let us jump right into the video. The very first thing you want to do is simply head over to your Google Play Store first, and now you will land on the home page. So you make sure that you are logged into the account that you want to change your email of. And once you do that, you can just tap on your profile icon at the top right corner. Then simply head over to the settings option by tapping on the gear icon. Here, tap on the drop down on the general section. You have different options like account device preferences, notification themes, and Google Play Instant. You want to head over to the account section right here. And as you can see, you can use emails from your Google Play to receive new offers and news. And if you want to change your contact email, it will be changed across your Google entirely. So make sure that you do it wisely. So after you do that, you can just send a verification code to your Gmail, and then you should be good to go. So that's pretty much it. I hope you found the tutorial helpful. I'll see you guys on the next one. Thanks for watching.